Welcome or welcome back to another video of me recreating every single granny square from this Granny Square sourcebook. Today's video is very similar to last week's video. It's an apple again, except this time it's going to be a cut apple. So you see the inside and you have little noyaux inside the apple. Noyaux. Seeds. You have little seeds inside the apple, so that's going to be a little different. Let's get to it. Oh, I've got my colors right here. My back is already hurting. That's just great. Ooh, cat hairs. So now I'm at the point where I'm supposed to do the shaping of the apple, and I remember having some difficulty with this one. Let's try this. Is that half of the apple and then I have this left? I think I made a mistake somewhere. Shoot. It's okay if my apple isn't perfectly symmetrical. I think that's okay. I'm gonna say it's okay. Apples aren't always perfectly symmetrical. Okay, I think that looks like an apple shape, right? You can definitely see that this goes in, and then this sticks out slightly, which is exactly what you want for the apple shape. Ta-da! What's next? Okay, so that's it for the background color. I'm pretty happy with how things are going. All I've got to do is add the details and then I'll be done. Voila! So this is what the square ended up looking like. I am fairly happy with it. I really enjoyed doing the red edge. That was really fun. I do notice a little bit of white peeking through though, which is okay because when I looked at the reference picture, it did do that in there too, so that's okay. And I do really enjoy the both apples together. The both? Wait, what's wrong with my English? I do enjoy both squares together. I do think they're really cute. Even though I do believe the squares don't really count as two squares and this could have been like a variation of one square. It's so cute that I forgive it. The more babyish squares I'm making, the more I'm thinking I'm probably going to want to make a project with just those on the side, maybe, and then I can do something with my other squares. How about you guys let me know what I should make with all those squares? Maybe this could be a baby blanket though, like a bunch of little squares. That would be cute. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in square number 22. All right, bye! There's a squeaking sound that I dislike strongly whenever I use acrylic, and this is all acrylic. I don't like that sound. Am I the only one? I'm sure I'm not. I can't be. It's so annoying.